Hello guys, welcome back to the video. Now again we are going to I posted a video. Yeah. Yes, who is it? Nice. So if one of you wants this car for $10 million in car parking multiplayer, bro, you can check my ID. If you replay, you can check my ID from the screen, add me, and then if I see, I'm going to join you in a server and I can give it to 10, I can give it for 10 million. I was about to say billion. I'm dumb, bro. No, don't ready. Yeah, it loaded. Okay, guys, my game is a little laggy whenever this load. It's always. I don't know. My internet is great. Oh my god. Okay, let me go try. Oh my god, this is just crazy. This is just crazy. Let me go. I'm going to also try this for 50 million. If one of you have 50 million and want this car, then come in this game. Buy for 50 million. I don't even care. I just want money. Oh, do you want me to buy that car? Do you want me to buy that car? Because I can buy it. Give me that car. Yes. Give me that. I have that. I don't have that. I don't care. I bought it. Guy, your car is mine. I hope that BMW is for a good price. Because I also want that BMW. I need to sell price 10 million. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to put my car. I'm going to just run and see what get two types. Why is there a bus here? Oh no, it's a truck. It's not a bus. Bro just left. Oh my god. Oh, this color. No, bro, that is not your car anymore. It's mine. Get out. That is my car now. I have that car. I'm not in the kitchen. 6. Do you want to buy my car, bro? Do you want to buy it? Do you want to buy it? Can I have your car, please? That looks awesome. Obviously, this server looks poor, literally. I don't know what am I doing here. Look at my new car. It's completely plain. And I didn't have it. I have like a billion cars right now. 15 cars. I'm equipping. Lamborghini. Oh my god. I just equipped a Lamborghini. This Lamborghini so badly. Oh no, this is cool. I'm going to now. I wanna share my Lamborghini. I literally choose Arabic because Arabics are literally so rich. Okay, please connect. Just crossed. Connect. I need to refuel my car. Let me just go and refuel it before it. Oh my god. I'm going to fully refuel this. This car has 3 colors. Literally. Red, blue, and golden. Like this car is so cool. But it doesn't have many but look at my car. Just look at it right now. It's a freaking Lamborghini. Look at this speed. No fuel. Oh no. Oh no. Let me get a tank. Mirror. I just got a thing, guys. I just got it. I'm going to run. And to mention, I'm almost recording this in midnight. Yeah. I hope the recording doesn't end because it just randomly ends. Like almost randomly. Now I'm gonna I'm going to go and try to sell my Lamborghini. Now you want my Lamborghini, dude? Oh, let's try to sell this again. Okay, let's see. So, no one has a good one. Bro, get out! Now, anyone has a good car because everybody has. If they have a good car, literally that means that they are rich. I'm checking everybody. Oh my god. Let me try to see. This is definitely it. Bro, trust this tip. Oh my god. Trust this tip, bro. Like, trust it. Player left. Of course. And okay, man. Yeah, he has a money car. He did it even for you. Now you wanna buy my car. No, you wanna buy my car? Bro, let me try to sell it for a lesser number. 12 million. Why do I not sell it for 9 million? And then I can buy a car and then sell it. It only goes to 5 million, 50 million. 12, 59. I want it for 50 million. There is already left. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Bro, why am I not just buying it? Just buy it. I'm giving you like a free car almost a free car. Okay, purchase offer sent. I hope to buy it. I don't think he will, but I hope he will. He didn't even buy it. The server is also rigged. Let's check. Why? Bro, when that happens with my brake, I can. Someone just said 380k. Not the freak that. Do this calamel. Puedes calamel. Puedes calamel. Puedes calamel. Just give someone free money. Okay. So this is like a really short vlog. If I close the recording right now, it will be a super short vlog. But I am about to close it if this dude doesn't buy it. I will close it if this dude doesn't buy this. Like, it's the most goodest car. Why did Bro said it's poop? It's not poop. Get out. Someone is saying to sell that for 380k. Do you think I'm dumb? Do you seriously think that I'm dumb?
3, 2, 1. Let's see.
I just buyed you, so he doesn't need money. I'm trying to sell.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, now I'm ending the vlog. If you enjoyed this video because it's short, please enjoy it.
3,
I'm recording this a little bit low, but as always, now it will be all. Now I will say peace. Guys, peace. I need to end the recording, bro.